Hello, today I would like to show you this magnetic USB-C to USB-C adapter. Let's open the box. Comes for USB-C to USB-C adapter. Look at. First things that I like is the magnetic design. I can attach to my computer case or another metal surface. So it always easy to find. I don't want to look for in my bag or on my desk. Look, for example, I want to show you some example. Look, stick, the magnetic, or like that. Look, not falling. It also comes with that small bamboo storage box, which helps to keep everything organized. Also, you can keep it that small box. Look, it's not falling. And look, this is the magnetic. This is the magnetic too. Look. So perfect. Look, you can carry with this one in your bag, and you can open it when you need it, take out and use it. It's so useful. And using is very simple. Just plug this one and it works right away. Look at this one, put it here, and look, my USB-C, like that. Now it's ready to charge. This adapter supports fast charging, so you can charge your phone, your tablet so easily. Other good things that it works for many devices. You can use your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, Android phone, USB flash drive, keyboard and more. I have been using it every day. It's small, simple and very useful. If you need the USB-C to USB-C adapter that easy to carry, easy to find and works with many devices, this is a good option. Thank you for watching.